and my creative entrepreneurs, my creative artists, business owners, colleagues. Elevating positive stories will always be my core, but when people think of Alien Eyez, they think of me, they think of Alien, which Alien was around in my music and poetry, performing and recording days. If you check out Alien Eye Play as I built that music brand before I switched to visual media, photography, and video production. I kept the alien, and now I'm using my eyes to you know provide solutions for creative entrepreneurs.